Very good morning. Today we will discuss about medicinal plants and their products. So now we start. First is Phyllanthus umbilica or amla. You can observe the product made from ripe wild amla and cold pressed to retain nutrients. Use it as a natural immunity booster. So these are the products. You can observe lot of products. Amla candy is also available, okay, which is a good source of vitamin C, iron and minerals. Saraka Asoka. So again, you can observe here, this female health tonic exerts excellent medicinal properties. Some of them may include antibacterial, analgesic, stomach stimulants, etc. So these are the products. You can observe the Asoka wrist, Asoka chal powder. The bark of Asoka also contains natural phytoestrogens which help to regulate the menstrual cycle, stimulating the uterus to normalize menstrual flow. Litheria somnifera or ashwagandha. You can observe the Himalayan organic ashwagandha supports adrenal function to help relax and calm your mind and body, lower stress and anxiety, provide energy and help with occasional sleeplessness. You can observe the product Ashwagandha Churn from Dabur, Agile Marmalus or Bale. So Bilva supports a healthy bowel function and reduction in intestinal lining inflammation. You can observe Bilva fruit capsule, Bale Patra Churn, Bakapa Moneri or Brahmi. So it is a natural brain booster, support focus, memory and concentration. Brahmi capsules are an all-natural brain supplement that provides support for stress and anxiety. You can observe the Brahmi herbal powder, Himalaya herbal healthcare, Swanson, Bakapa Monieri, Gymnema sylvester or Budmari. Support healthy blood glucose, helps block intestinal receptors that absorb sugar and may help suppress sugar receptors in taste buds to reduce appeal of sweet foods. So you can observe these are the products. Tinospora cordifolia guduchi. It is an effective and widely recommended natural immune booster and immune system supplement. You can observe the powder capsule Endographis paniculata or Calmeg support a natural liver tonic. It contains bitters useful to increase immunity against various infections. You can observe Calmeg capsule, Rauwolfia serpentina or Sarpagandha. It is used as an antidote to snake venom, also used to high blood pressure, mental agitation, insomnia, and in sedatives. You can observe the products Asparagus racemosus or Satavari, especially beneficial for women's health. Satavari herb is known to improve milk production in lactating mothers. Satavari powder are effective and used to improve female hormonal imbalance. Ocimum basilicum or tulsi. Basil oil is pure essential oil which can be used as an essence in the bath or in vaporizers. There is a form of beta carotene found in basil that may help to lessen the progression of osteoarthritis, prevents common cold, flu, swine flu, helpful in chronic fatigue syndrome, aloe vera or ghee kumari. Digestive aid helps provide relief from gaseous discomfort. You can observe aloe vera works as a powerful anti-aging agent. It also anti-inflammatory in nature and can soothe cuts and burns. Santalum album, common name sandalwood, chandan. Sandalwood Sandalwood has a rich, sweet, warm, and woody aroma that is sensual and romantic. Mentha, peperita, or pudina, you can observe that it reduces pain, improve digestion, aids in weight loss, and boost the immune system. Catharanthus roseus, take 1 teaspoon of dried leaf powder by infusing it with water on an empty stomach every morning to keep diabetes under control. Eclipta alba, Bhringraj leaves powder, considered as a natural hair care tonic. You can observe here, Strychnos nux vomica, used against nausea or vomiting. Terminalia cebula or horrida, Hartiki powder made to promote the healthy digestion process. It may remove toxins from your body and also support the management of constipation. You can observe the products Tribulus terrestris. Bokharu Ayurvedic supplement for men is ideal for bodybuilding, combating diuretic issues. Plants has been used to improve vigor and strength. Azadirachta indica, neem it effectively improves skin and prevent skin infections such as rashes. It may help in blood purification. Hemidesmus indicus or anantmul, the blood purifying properties of anantmul herbs may help in healthy digestion. Mesua feria or Nageswar used to improve digestion, clear toxins and help to remove constipations. Maintains body colon balance pitta, those in the body help to maintain pH of the body. Centella asiatica. The main usage of Centella asiatica is to relieve the venous insufficiency, used in memory enhancing, nootropic, immunity boosting, nervine, analgesic, antifungal, etc. Enhance memory, cure arthritis and joint pain. So thank you very much.